The Yamaha MT-09 is a naked machine that is the epitome of awesomeness. Featuring a sleek design that's sure to turn heads, and the agility to handle any road with ease. The MT-09 is more than just a pretty face, it's a bike that's built to perform. Today, we are going to see the most aggressive-looking MT-09 ever made. And that is Yamaha MT-09 Spoiler. Yamaha MT-09 Spoiler, and a series of valuable toys make the overall car look much more impressive than the original. The MT-09 Spoiler makes a strong impression, with the whole body in black, with red stamps, making the car look more sturdy and aggressive. In terms of design, the overall appearance of the Yamaha MT-09 wingspan and the black and red stamps are extremely beautiful. The whole body of the car has been intentionally covered in black and gray by the owner, and uses red details as the best points for the overall MT-09 degree. The design of the front end of the MT-09 is always a topic of debate. Many people think that the front end design is not impressive, but for some people, the front design of the MT-09 is quite unique, personal and attractive, has its own characteristics. In the photo above, you can see that the MT-09 has almost completely changed. After the change, especially the front end looks much more impressive, with the angular plastic spoiler. Designed according to the overall car, the toy windshield also contributes to making the front of the car that looks stronger and more aggressive. The owner of the MT-09 has been very clever when mixing the details of the red striped stamps all over the body, and choosing some toys with the same red tone, such as fuel tank cap, anti-dumping, engine block cover, rim stamps, etc. Yamaha's famous hyper-naked couple, MT-09 and MT-09 SP, have a strong appearance, sporty driving posture, and a completely new 3-cylinder crossplane engine block, with a capacity of 890 cc. The power is improved up to 6% compared to the old version, to reach a maximum capacity of 119 horsepower and maximum torque of 93 Nm. The MT-09 is capable of accurately responding to each driver's throttle action, thanks to ride-by-wire technology, a two-way quick shifter, an advanced Delta Box frame dart, with a redesigned suspension system. With new technologies, such as radial disc brakes, heat-forged wheels, to improve operating efficiency. The duo also owns many leading-edge technologies in the segment, such as 6-axis IMU, inertial acceleration sensor, 4 driving modes, 4 driver assistance modes, including anti-lock braking system in the corner system, traction control, anti-rolling, and rear wheel slip control. The high-performance version of the MT-09 SP is optimized for suspension, with a pair of premium KYB front forks, and a removable oil tank Öhlins fork at the rear, to allowing full customization to best suit the driver's preferences. Overall, the custom-made Yamaha MT-09 is really good-looking bike, there is no doubt. What's your thought about this bike? Tell us on the comment section.